Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate a QR code that links directly to a specific item in your Monday.com workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple, automated way to connect your digital Monday.com items to the real world, whether you're tracking assets, organizing inventory, or making it easy for your team to scan and go. Let's dive right in. To start, we're going to use a marketplace app like Instant QR Codes, Triggerly, or QR Item Tracker. These handy add-ons are built to work seamlessly with Monday.com, and they'll save you a ton of time by generating a unique QR code for every item on your board. No manual copy-pasting, no fuss. Step 1 is installing a QR code app. Open up your Monday.com account and head over to the app's marketplace. This is your one-stop shop for enhancing the way you work. Type in QR code in the search bar and you'll see several options pop up. Choose one that matches your needs. Instant QR Codes is a good place to start. Just click to install. Now, Monday.com will guide you through a few simple prompts. You'll need to select which workspace and board you want to add the app to, and authorize the app to access your board's data. Don't worry, this is a secure process, and you're always in control of what data the app can see. Once your QR app is installed, it's time to set up an automation recipe. On your target board, look up to the top right where you'll find the Integrate button. This is your gateway to automating tasks. Click it, then select your newly installed QR code app from the list. You'll see a few different automation options, depending on your workflow. The most popular is, when an item is created, generate a QR code link or file. This means every time you or a teammate create a new item, a QR code will automatically be attached. If you'd prefer a bit more manual control, you can set the trigger to a button click, so you only generate the code when you need it. Let's slow down for a moment to configure the automation. Here's where you tell the app exactly where to place your QR codes. You'll map a column on your board, either a file column if you want the actual QR image, or a link column if you just want a URL that opens when scanned. This mapping is important because it keeps your board organized and ensures you know exactly where to find those QR codes later. The app handles the rest. It'll create a unique URL for each item, then convert it into a scannable QR code. Once you're happy with the setup, just click Add to Board to turn on the automation. Take a moment here to double-check your columns and options, especially if you have custom workflows, just so everything goes smoothly. Now, let's talk about using your shiny new QR code. Whenever your chosen trigger event happens, like adding a new asset or updating inventory, a QR code will appear in the column you mapped. You can scan this QR code with any standard smartphone camera or a QR scanner app and instantly jump into all the details of that Monday.com item. Think about how much easier this makes tracking physical assets, product samples, or office inventory. Just scan, and your digital record pops right up. Many of these apps also let you print the QR codes in bulk, which is a lifesaver if you have a lot to label or track. And that's it. You've just set up a powerful link between your Monday.com items and the real world. If this tutorial helped, be sure to hit that like button. And if you've got any questions or want to share how you're using QR codes in your workflow, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Monday.com tips and automation walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.